What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
In the last video I made about MP materials, I talked about two factors that were causing an increase in the price of rare earth minerals, and in this video I want to expand on these factors a bit more and talk about why I think this will benefit MP materials in a major way. It's a no-brainer that an increase in price of rare earth minerals is extremely good for MP materials because that means we can expect an even better quarter for MP going forward. However, I wanted to dig a little deeper and provide you with some more evidence and proof that this is actually the case. The first factor that's causing an increase in the price of these rare earth minerals is the temporary shutting down of mining facilities in China that aren't environmentally friendly. These mining facilities have been shut down ahead of an inspection by the government, so it's possible that after the inspection, China actually bans some of these mining facilities. This is because in 2012, China said that it needed to spend 38 billion yuan or 5.8 billion USD to repair the environmental damage caused by these mining facilities. So it's in their best interest to shut down mining operations that are not environmentally friendly. This helps MP materials in a big way because MP is the cleanest mine ever developed for one of the dirtiest commodities to mine. Now when you add in that China is starting to worry about the environmental impact of their REE sector, this means that they might start importing more minerals from the US in the short term whilst they clean up their mining operations. This makes MP materials even more competitive and make it better positioned. The second factor is the conflict in Myanmar. While China's rare earth imports held firm in January and February, a March 21 report in the state-backed Global Times newspaper said material could not be shipped, but did not delve into the problem further. Rare earth supplies getting disrupted from Myanmar is a huge issue, and this graphic illustrates this clearly. Myanmar by far is the leader when it comes to exporting rare earth concentrate imports. So this is huge. If China's supplies of rare earth minerals are getting disrupted from Myanmar, they'll have to get these from other sources. So this means MP could end up shipping more rare earth minerals to China and at much higher prices. Now have a look at this. China rare earth price hit multi-year highs on ramped up demand and Myanmar supply disruption. Out of these 4 rare earth minerals, MP materials exports 3 of these elements. So I think it's pretty obvious that this whole situation is going to help MP materials out in a big way. When we look at the chart, we can see that MP materials is down from its high of $49. So with a potential blowout quarter on the horizon, an entry point of $33 seems really good. Let me know what you're currently doing with your MP shares. Are you planning on buying more? Are you holding? Or whether you're planning on selling them? In my opinion, MP materials will do really well in the next quarter due to the increase in rare earth minerals demand and prices. But I'd love to hear your take on this, so do leave a comment and let me know what you think of what's currently going on with regards to the increase in rare earth mineral prices and also the current supply disruption. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.